Okay, we have been working on putting a new electric clutch fan in my 2006 F550. So what we had to do to get this out of here, watched a couple of other videos on it, and what we decided to do is on one video by a guy named Ron, they had a hole in their radiator or fan shroud, and you needed that space cut into it here so that you could pull out the clutch and bolt, because it sticks that in far in, and if you wanted to you could remove the radiator, but we just didn't want to have to mess with all that transmission fluid and coolant and everything else. So anyway, I drilled a couple of holes here, 1.5 inch hole saw, one here, and then filed it, rounded it out and flattened it, and then I have this 20 mil plumbing tape that covers the holes and will seal up any possible air leak. It's something they didn't do in the video. And anyway, so we have the fan here. Let me pull the plug up, and we're going to put the plug in here. Probably should have done that before we put the fan in. So I will look at that in a minute.
Okay.
Alright, so anyway, that documents that. Okay, so here is the old electronic viscous fan clutch that was in the F550, and if you look at it, see, it'll turn difficult. It takes effort to turn this, but after a few turns, watch what happens. So it's hard to turn. So there's about 3 turns. Now it's getting easy. And now look at it. See how easy that is to turn? And it spins. So that is a dead fan. Either way, it's a dead fan. It has no viscosity to keep the fan spinning. So it is excuse me, called a viscostronic electronic fan, and part number 4F10F1, and then another is 4C34 8A616-AB. So anyway, there you go. Put on a new one. Went to O'Reilly's and got a Murray replacement, and that was $269, I think, and I could have gotten a replacement from Dorman, and that would have been $400 out of Napa. I just am not a fan of Dorman products, though. So anyway, I would have gotten a Motorcraft had it been available, and The Murray, it does have a lifetime warranty, so I will just be happy with that. And I bought a couple sets of fan removal tools, and it's a very difficult fan to remove. It just fought the entire time. Okay, so anyway, you can watch the rest of the video and see how we did it. All right, thanks. So took the truck for a test drive to see how it worked, and the temperature never got above 196. And before this, I would have trouble keeping it under 205 on the freeway at 65 miles an hour. And as soon as we started going up hills, then it would get heated up real quick, and then I would get boilovers and lose coolant. So now, no more boilovers, no more losing coolant, and the truck is just running beautifully. And I just finished installing a new injector, a Motorola remanufactured injector, that is, for number 8. And I installed a blue spring kit in the fuel pressure regulator. I also discovered that the regulator had a crushed, split, damaged O-ring in it, and that was another reason why the fuel pressure was so far off. So anyway, the truck is running great now. Fuel pressure is good, 65 psi. No more codes on any of the injectors, and it runs as smooth as a top. Very little vibration, quieter, runs cooler, and with the new electric viscous fan clutch, it will keep the engine at a normal operating temperature, even on the freeway, carrying the camper 4,000 pounds at 65, 70 miles an hour. All right, that is the update, and enjoy the rest of the video.